Are you searching for the latest best coffee grinders? In this video, we will look at the top 5 latest best coffee grinders in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. ITOP 40 Plus V1 V2 Coffee Grinder Machine. ITOP 40 Plus V1 V2 Coffee Grinder Machine. 64mm flat titanium Burr's adjustable speed version coffee grinder espresso grinder. Blade Iton Compresso Burr coffee grinder, 7-core conical burr. Features a 48mm 7-core conical burr for precise and even grinding, ensuring optimal flavor extraction. High nitrogen 420 stainless steel burrs, equipped with high nitrogen 420 stainless steel burrs for durability and longevity, up to 150 kilograms of grinding. 100-watt DC motor, powered by a robust 100 watts DC motor, capable of grinding 18 grams beans in just 24 seconds for espresso. Aerospace die-cast grade aluminum body, constructed with a high-grade ADC-12 aerospace die-cast aluminum body for durability and stability. Versatile voltage compatibility, designed for global use with 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz voltage compatibility, ideal for any household.